Hello, Algebra 2 parents. Mrs. McGuire here. I am trying to make this brief, but it is super important. I know many of your children, my students, have had a rough start to Algebra 2, and there are so many reasons why. But we have things that we want to do to help your student. I have been talking with the head of my department, and I've been talking to the students. Maybe they told you. One of the things that we're going to offer, and I need your support on this because not every student is motivated to come and do this, but I am giving them the opportunity to increase their scores on the summer work test and the Chapter 2 test. The summer work test, we decided, is an accumulation of what they learned in basically Algebra 1. And I know that the students were online for their Algebra 1, like the fourth quarter of that year. And that's kind of a pivotal time when they are taught factoring and radicals. And I am seeing that this keeps coming back to really hurt many of the students because they haven't learned to factor and they haven't learned how to do square roots. Interesting enough, I actually took time one class day and I've given them two different homeworks on the factoring, and I've taught them and retaught them that. But if that is a skill that your child says that they are still struggling with, coming in and working on getting points back for the summer work could be really helpful and instrumental in moving forward and doing well for the rest of the year. One of the things that's so difficult about Algebra 2 is you have to bring your math skills with you. You have to bring your Algebra 1 skills and just a little bit of the geometry with you. And if for whatever reason, COVID, you were at a different school, you were online, if one of those is your child and they are struggling, then they have to put in the work to get those skills back. There's just no other way around it. I am willing to help them and work with them, but they have to work as well. And I know it's not easy. So we are doing things on our side at school to be helpful. With the Chapter 2 test, that is something that they have recently taken, and I know that they're struggling because they're not ready for Algebra 2. They're just not. So I have half the class ready and I have half the class not ready. And so it's been a struggle. But please, please, please encourage your students. I'm going to, in this email, you're going to see the times and dates that I'm available this week, and I will be sharing it with the students. I am mandating that they do these things with me in school because we have a technological difficulty with apps and online venues that give our children the answers. And a lot of them have learned to use that the wrong way, and it's hurting them. So I want to give them a high level of accountability and at the same time my support by having them work in the classroom with me. I am giving them the month to get this done, but I'm encouraging them to work earlier, not later. I hope that this is helpful for you and your child. If you need to schedule an appointment to talk to me, I would love for your child to be present because really it's all about them. They're older, it's their responsibility, and this is like a college level math class. This is the math that they will see in college algebra, and they will see it on the SAT. So it is vitally important. I am very concerned for those that are not doing well, and I need us all just to work together so that we can support them in the best way possible. All right, God bless you. Have a good day.